Zuri, hi.
Hi.
Unafanya nini?
Ninacheza.
Unacheza? Onyesha wapi maji?
Maji?
Yeah. Maji. Na wapi miti? Miti. So miti ni nini?
Trees.
Trees. Na maji?
Water.
Water.
Even the water is like it's so much that it's getting the side. The side is in the middle of the water.
Zuri, kimbia. Kimbia. Uko. Okay, Rudy sasa, Rudy.
Hey guys, my name is Papa and today we're gonna do the Make Whatever We Want challenge. Oh yeah, there are two more people. You might know Zuri, as in Zuri learns Swahili, and this is my sister Fatima.
All right, what are we going to make?
Okay, first we're gonna make a poopy.
We're gonna make something and then he has to guess what it will make. I'm ready.
A worm. Boogers. I know.
A caterpillar?
No. 4 cocoons. Tree leaves. No, fingers that turn green.
Nail polish?
Hint?
Grass! Yes!
Yes, grass.
Oh wait! People already know what mine is. Wait! I'm not ready yet. Just gonna make it harder like that. Okay, guys, I'm ready.
Mario mushroom.
Okay, now I'm messing this up. Okay, guys, time to go and do gaming. No.
Zuri, unafanya nini? Unafungua chocolate? Hebu nione. Chocolate. Unafanya nini? Fungua. Kufungua ni nini? Open. She's opening her chocolate. Ooh. Do you need help? Unataka nikusaidie?
No.
Sema kwa Kiswahili. No ni nini? No ni sema hapana. Hapana. What is no? Hapana. All right, she got her chocolate.
Let me break it.
Zuri,
Yes.
unafanya nini?
Ninasoma.
Sema tena?
Ninasoma.
Okay, unasoma nini?
We're from Kenya.
Hiyo ni nini?
Kitabu.
Aha, book is a?
Kitabu.
All right, where did you get it?
I got it from the library.
Library? Oh, this was our nighttime read, our bedtime story.
We're from Kenya.
We're from Kenya, that is the title. Inaitwa We're from Kenya. Na saizi tunafanya nini? Tunaenda kulala. Sema kulala.
Kulala.
Good night.